And welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in your REALME GT Neo 3D on the four most popular web browsers from the Play Store. So we will start from the Firefox. To enable Incognito Mode in Firefox, just use that small zero icon. Here you can see, now we are in the Incognito Mode. In the Google Chrome, sorry, I have to set up it. And in the Google Chrome, just click here on this three-dot icon and go to the new Incognito tab. The next is Opera. In the Opera, just type this little taskbar icon and switch to the private. That's it. And the last one, the Microsoft Edge. In the Microsoft Edge, just tap again in the tab icon and choose in private. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.